Channel name: Auto Universe. The future of military aviation is here. Introducing the 2025 Bell V-280 Valor, a revolutionary tiltrotor aircraft designed to replace the legendary Black Hawk. With cutting-edge technology, unparalleled speed, and unmatched versatility, the V-280 is set to dominate the skies. In this video, we'll dive deep into the design, performance, capabilities, and why the Bell V-280 is a game-changer for modern warfare. Let's get started. The Bell V-280 Valor is part of the U.S. Army's Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft (FLRAA) program, replacing the aging UH-60 Black Hawk. It's designed with an advanced tiltrotor system, similar to the V-22 Osprey, but with significant improvements in agility and efficiency. Tiltrotor design: unlike conventional helicopters, the Valor's rotors tilt forward, allowing it to fly like a plane, giving it faster speeds and longer range. Carbon fiber composite fuselage: the aircraft is lightweight yet incredibly strong, increasing durability and fuel efficiency. Enhanced cockpit technology: featuring state-of-the-art touchscreen displays, helmet-mounted controls, and an AI-assisted flight system, making operations smoother and safer. The result: a next-gen aircraft that offers the best of both worlds, the vertical takeoff of a helicopter and the speed of a fixed-wing plane. Now, let's talk about performance. The Bell V-280 Valor is built for speed and endurance. Top speed: over 280 knots, 518 kilometers per hour, nearly twice as fast as the Black Hawk. Range: up to 800 nautical miles, 1,482 kilometers, on a single fuel load, allowing for long-range missions without refueling. Maximum payload: can carry up to 14 troops or over 4,000 pounds of cargo, making it ideal for troop transport and supply missions. Engines: powered by two Rolls-Royce A1107F engines, ensuring high efficiency, reduced noise, and better fuel economy. With this level of speed and performance, the Valor is perfect for rapid response missions, combat operations, and humanitarian efforts. The Bell V-280 is not just fast, it's also built for battle. Advanced weapon systems: can be equipped with machine guns, rocket pods, and even guided missiles for offensive operations. Stealth features: with low acoustic signature and reduced radar visibility, it can approach enemy zones undetected. Superior maneuverability: unlike the V-22 Osprey, the Valor has fixed engines, allowing more precise and agile movements in tight spaces. This makes it ideal for combat search and rescue, special forces operations, and high-risk extractions. So, why is the Bell V-280 Valor so important? 1. Faster deployment: troops can arrive on the battlefield quicker, increasing mission success rates. 2. Extended range: more ground covered without frequent refueling. 3. Enhanced survivability: better armor, stealth, and maneuverability reduce the risk of being shot down. The V-280 isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in military aviation. The 2025 Bell V-280 Valor is the future of military aviation. Faster, stronger, and smarter, this aircraft is set to redefine warfare as we know it. What do you think of this futuristic aircraft? Will it replace the Black Hawk successfully? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible content on the latest military and aviation technology. Thanks for watching Auto Universe. We'll see you in the next video.